welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So in today's video, you guys, in today's video, you guys, I have on a headband wig. And I have on a headband wig. So to see all about this wig, then just keep watching. Okay? Okay. Alright, you guys, so I got this wig from Asteria hair, just for your beauty. This is what it came in a cute little tote. Of course, it came in a net, in a little plastic bag, and this is a 22-inch headband wig, you guys. It came with a wig cap, and it also came with some headbands. I will be putting those on in a minute. I did wash this unit, as you can see in this next clip. I washed. Once I finished washing, I let it air dry with no product on it. And then after I finished letting it air dry with no product on it, I went on ahead and took some of my mousse. I used the Lottabody Mousse, and I used some gel from Curlsmith to get this wig to look like this. This is all dry, you guys, as you can see, all dry. It is dry. So yeah, it's very soft. When I washed it, I was able to, finger detangle. I did have some shedding, not too much. This is a curly unit, so I, figured that it would have some type of shedding. When I was detangling my hair with putting on the mousse and the gel, I had no problems with tangles. My brush glided right through, if you can see in the clip that I provided. It was just so smooth. The only con that I have is that this wig, let me go and make sure that I'm not telling no story, but I actually, because I was doing research on headband wigs, and of course this popped up in my Instagram feed, of course, sponsored. That that's how they do. They follow us around and they put stuff in our face that we clearly searching so that we will buy it, okay? And and the girl, I want to say she got a 22-inch too. Yeah, it says curly headband 22-inch, and I just don't feel like, I may put a clip of hers or like a picture or something of hers next to mine, because I don't feel like, and see, her video was sponsored, so I don't feel like I have the density that she has on her wig, okay? Again, this is Asteria hair. The hair is very soft, easy to work with, but for me to pay my coins, I want it, if I see somebody on YouTube who has a sponsored video, I want my wig to look like that wig. I don't want my wig to be nothing less than hers. And I also went back on the website to see if I just didn't choose the density. No, the density was already chosen for me. There was not an option to choose the density. So, with that being said, don't get me wrong, I really like the wig. I just feel like, for me, it's a little skimpy. I don't know. It's a little skimpy to me. A little on the skimpy side. So I don't know. Yeah. This is dry. It is dry hair. This is the back. Let you see what the back is looking like. This is what the back is looking like, you guys. Again, this is 22 inches. Let me give you the deets. Okay, this is a curly headband wig, human hair. It comes in lengths 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. I also seen another lady. She had done a wig review for them that was sponsored, and she had the 26 inches. If I would have known that this wig would have been as skimpy as it is, I might have did 26, but I don't even know if it still would have looked as full. It is 180% density. That's what it says. Curly hair, no lace. It has 3 clips in the front, 2 clips in the back. Again, it snaps in the back because it is a headband wig. And that is about it. It did not take long for this wig to get here. So yeah, that's the beats. We are going to go ahead and put do some different styles with it and see, you know, if I don't know. I don't know. What do y'all think? Do y'all like it on me? Because at this point, I really don't know. I have had sew-ins that looked fuller than this. So I don't know. I don't know. But anywho. Let's go ahead and put these it said 2 free headbands, but they sent 3. So yeah. So this is the first headband. This is the second. And then this one is the third. Alright, you guys, so this is how my hair is looking right now. I got it up in a half up, half down, and I think I am liking it now. I don't know, you know, I think I had to put my little headband wig on, my little accessory, and it kind of, you know, brought me back. It kind of brought me back. So my edges and stuff all messed up because I was trying to, you know, put on these different bands and going on. But other than that, I think my hair looks pretty good. So I think this was a pretty good investment. Let me tell you guys how much I paid for this unit. This was not sponsored, so I paid for this, okay? Maybe my next one will be sponsored, but I paid for this one. My subtotal was $281, but I know I didn't pay that much. Like, it was some Labor Day sales and stuff going on, so I did not pay that much. I want to say I paid half of that. I did not pay no $300 for this wig. I just didn't. I know I didn't. I didn't pay no more than $150 for this wig. I know it. Let me see. I didn't pay no $3 something for this hair. I didn't pay no $280 something for this hair. When all else fails, let's go look at our bank account. Okay, so Asteria hair, I paid $168.79. My subtotal was $281.31. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I paid $168. I don't feel like that's a bad price for a headband wig or any wig in general, especially if you intend on taking care of the unit. It's something that you can just plop on top of your head and go out the door. Simple, easy as that. So yeah, you guys, I love it. I love it. If you have not done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? Okay. Give me a big thumbs up, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Leave me a comment below. What do you think about this headband unit, wig, whatever you want to call it? I I am feeling it. I love it. It's giving me beach vibes. Okay? Okay. Leave me a comment down in the comments below. Also, share this video out, you guys. Sharing is caring. And until next time, I'll holler at you guys later.